Hello! So today I'm here to show you a quick and fun cocktail made with Capriccio Sangria. So what you're going to need is Capriccio white sangria, white rum or a tequila. Today I'm using Maestro Dobel Diamante tequila. It is a clear aged blend of reposado añejo and extra añejo. You're also going to need some pineapples, jalapeños. You have a muddler, a shaker, and just a fun wine or cocktail glass. Okay, so first you're gonna take a medium to large size pineapple, and I just kind of sliced one thin slice of jalapeno, and you're gonna muddle that down. And if you want it more spicier, you can just add more jalapeno, and if you want it sweeter, just add more pineapple. Then you're gonna add like 2 or 3 ice cubes, 1 to 2 ounces of your rum or tequila, and you're gonna shake it. Strain it over ice into your wine glass. Actually, I like to use another strainer just because you get a little bit more of the pineapple and jalapeno chunks. And then you're going to top it off with Capriccio white sangria. Give it a good mix. And garnish with a pineapple. And enjoy.